All right, today we are out in the woods. We're in Missouri, so we got a lot of oaks, a lot of hickories. So we're just doing a little bit of TSI in our woods. If you can see back here, it's pretty good. We don't really have a lot of invasives in this area, so that's why we're focusing on TSI in areas like this. This is like kind of an impromptu cut here, but yeah, we got this red oak. It's dead all the way at the top. So about to get to cutting.